I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back. Love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns
Don't smile, you know I hate it that you're so fine. No stare, you use your weapons like it ain't fair. When you're making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. My heart ain't never been so out of control. Oh, nah, nah. You're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical. I tried to play it cool, but boy, I'm on fire. And I lied back when I told you you're not my side. Now you're making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. No, I ain't never been so vulnerable. Oh, nah, nah. You're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical. Oh, I know you're feeling it too.
Hey guys, welcome back to Not Just Mommy Time. If I talk a little quiet, it's because I got my little one to sleep. I don't want to wake up because she's been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I don't know why, but This was supposed to be week 1 of me rolling out my nesting series for you guys. And I have some bad news. I literally lost all my footage. I lost all my footage of me nesting my bedroom. I lost the footage of me nesting my girls' room, my bathroom. I even lost like my gender reveal footage, which I was saving that for like a really special video for you guys. It's awful. My SD card is wiped, so I'm trying to figure out if I can recover it, if it's any way to get that all back. I'm not sure at this point, but I do want to show you guys what I did. So I have a little bit of footage that I had on my phone. So this is my first time recording from my phone because in over a year, because now my SD cards for some reason won't work, and my camera. So I don't know what's going on, but your girl is heartbroken. Okay, I've literally been crying for like 2 days. But I'm going to show you guys my room and what I did. I won't show you guys my bed though, because my little one is sleeping in the bed. But I'm going to show you guys what I did to my room. And if I can get that footage back, by any chance, I will post up another video and show you guys like all the footage and stuff. But I really want to roll out week 1 of my nesting. So here we go. Okay guys, so we have little one's bed. I made up her bed and straightened it up. I polished her bed. Her bed is wood, so I did polish it with like some pine saw wood polisher stuff. And over here I'm getting my little stockpile. I got diapers and wipes and whatnot. Over here I straightened up hubby's side of the room. Like, it was a mess, you guys. So I straightened up his side. My dresser was absolutely horrific before this, you guys. Like, it was a complete mess. I didn't know what to do with it, but I got it all cleaned off. And then I just have like all these pictures, my baby, colors for me. Didn't know where else to put them. I just made room for them. Over here I have all my hubby's hats. This is actually a shoe organizer, but it wasn't working as a shoe organizer, so I just hung his hats up there until his hat organizer came. I actually have a hat organizer coming from Amazon, which I'm so excited about. Now I can just get rid of this shoe rack. And then here's my closet. It's a small closet, but I got all of our shoes organized. I got all of hubby's shoes organized. I'm trying to color coordinate his shirts and everything, but he has so many shirts, you guys. So I literally have to re-go through it and color coordinate when I have more time, more energy. And then I have my clothes, from dresses to shirts. I have hubby's pants, his 5K shirts, and just a lot of miscellaneous stuff up there. I know I need some organizer stuff up there, but honestly, I don't even care about up there because your girl can't even reach up there. So I just let hubby get up there and organize the best way he can. But I actually fixed this today, and it works. It works for now. I cleared off my dresser. It was a mess, so I cleared off my dresser. I got my little tripod over there. So yeah. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all your girl did. They're really messy, so I literally deep cleaned. Okay, I even got on my hands and knees and I did the baseboards. The baseboards, they weren't bad, but they hadn't been done since we've been here. I'm really not good with doing baseboards, and it's so time consuming, but I even got down my hands and knees and I did the baseboards in the closet. I took everything out the closet. I vacuumed the closet. So your girl did a lot, and it was so much footage that I lost. I'm so sad about it, but that is all for this video. I love you guys so much. I know nesting a series 1. This is not what I expected for it, but at least I get my video out there, you know, and I don't even know if my stuff is restorable, if it's gonna be able to be recovered or not. So I'm gonna just work really hard to either put out another video for week 2. We'll see what we can do, but I love you guys so much. Your girl, I haven't used my phone in so long. But anyways, I'm heading on out of here. I love you guys so much. I hope that you enjoy my nesting series. I hope that I can find my footage. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.